In this tutorial we will implement GCP IAM roles and service accounts best practices. By the end you will have a custom IAM role and service account running on Google Cloud Platform. This is exactly how I use this in production. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have these tools installed and configured. We need gcloud CLI for interacting with GCP, Terraform for infrastructure as code, kubectl for Kubernetes management, and a GCP project with billing enabled for resource creation. I'll show you quickly how to verify each one. First, we need to create a custom IAM role. This is important because it allows us to define specific permissions for our service account. The command we are running does create a new role with the specified permissions. You should see the role ID, which confirms the role was created successfully. Now we create a service account. Notice that we need to specify the project and a unique email address for the service account. This step is crucial because it creates an identity for our service account. In this step, we assign the custom IAM role to the service account. A common mistake here is forgetting to specify the project or role name correctly. Make sure you use the correct role ID and service account email. Now we create a key file for the service account. This creates a JSON key file with the service account credentials. In production, you would also need to manage and rotate these keys securely. Let's verify everything is working correctly. We run a command to list the service accounts and verify our service account is listed. If you see an error instead, it usually means the service account or role was not created correctly. Now let's confirm the service account is visible in GCP console. Navigate to the IAM and admin page and you should see the service account with the assigned custom role. This confirms our infrastructure is fully provisioned. We have successfully implemented GCP IAM roles and service accounts best practices. In this tutorial we covered creating a custom IAM role, creating a service account, assigning the custom role to the service account, creating a key file, and verifying the setup. You can now use this setup as a foundation for managing access to your GCP resources. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for daily DevOps tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions about GCP IAM roles and service accounts.